162 meters apart. A body leaves P with initial speed of 5 and travels towards Q with uniform acceleration 3. At the same instant, another body leaves Q and travels towards P with speed 7 and acceleration 2. How many seconds do they meet, and what then is the speed of each body? No bother. You want to draw a diagram? Okay. P is going to be represented by red here. Oh, wait. I have a better idea. The body that leaves P is the red dot. Okay. The body that leaves Q is going to be the blue dot. Is that okay? Now, which one do you think is faster, and which one do you think is the faster one that's traveling sort of more aggressively? Which one's faster, red dot or blue dot? Now, just so we're clear with this, red has 5 and 3, a U of 5 and an A of 3, and the blue dot, a U of, and A of 2. Now, I know that 7's going to the left. See the way the 7's going to the left? But you don't mind that, because the question is about total distance, isn't it? It's about where did he hit. Now, would you agree that they're going to hit closer to Q than they are to P? Why? Because P, the red dot's going faster. So do you agree that they're going closer? It's going to be closer to Q than it is to P. Is that all right? Now they're going to give you a fancy little method here at the bottom. CSP, that's the blue part. CSQ, that's the yellow one. Blue plus yellow has to equal 162. Is that okay with you guys? Blue plus yellow equals 162. Okay, let's UVAS this then. I'm just going to put V down here for once. V we don't know, do we? We don't know the V value, how fast the red one's moving and how fast the blue one's moving when they hit each other. We don't know that yet, do we? All right, what do we know about S? It's the blue distance, isn't it? Otherwise known as. And the T value. Did they both start at the same time? How do we know that? So they're both traveling at the same amount of time. So what does that mean? We can call T, just call it T, won't we? Okay. For argument's sake, I'm going to make all this red just because it's confusing me because I used the colors earlier. Okay, so this is the red data, apart from that part. Okay, now what about the blue data? Okay, what's the V value for the blue? Do we know it? How fast is the blue particle going when they hit each other? No. What's the S value? S subscript Q. And the T value? Okay. Now, what formula do you think we should use? Phi equals U plus AT? That will give us the phi value in terms of, are the phi values equal to each other? Is the red dot going as fast as the blue dot? Or are they going different speeds? So we can't put them equal to each other, can we? What's a good hint? S equals UT plus a half AT squared. Are you ready for this? Okay, here's what I want you guys to do. Okay, I'm going to use S equals UT plus a half AT squared. I'm going to say SP is U, which is 5, T, which is T, plus a half A, so a half 3 times T squared. Okay, and what I'm going to get is 5T plus 1.5 T squared. That's for SP. SQ is going to be 7T. Is that right? It starts off with 7. 7 and 2, that's fair enough. Okay, 7 plus a half 2 times T squared. Who got a 7T plus T squared? Who got that? Add them both together, and what do we get? How many T squareds? Plus 12T. equals what number was it again? 162. Okay. 2.5 t squared plus 12t minus 162 equal to 0. I'm inclined to do the minus b formula. A equals 1, A equals 2.5. B equals 12. Minus b equals minus 12. And c equals minus 162. Okay. Then I'm going to put it all into the calculator and we'll see what we get. And we got an answer for that. You got 6. You got 3. Did you put 2a on the bottom instead of a? Oh, sorry. Yeah. No. Okay, let's do it. Fraction button. Minus b is minus 12 plus square root. B squared is 12 squared minus 4 times 2.5 times 162. All divided by 2 times 2.5. What? How is it? Thank you. Thanks for finding that for me. Then underneath it's 2 times 2.5 because it's 2a on the bottom. Close it, lock it out, 6. And the other one, if there was another answer, I'll check at the minus answer just to be certain. Time can't be negative, so we know the answer is definitely 6. Okay. Now, does that answer the question for us, or what do you think? We reread the question. After how many seconds? We've answered that part, haven't we? T equals 6. Now, what's the next part of the question? Speed of each body. What can we use? It's on the top right hand side there. B equals U plus AT. We're going to do it for the red one and the blue one. So we'll do it for the red data, which is going to be 5 plus 3 times 6, 23 meters per second squared. And for the blue data, it's going to be 7 plus 2 times 6, 19 meters per second squared, or meters per second.